Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to my channel. So for this video, this is what you are going to need. These are all the equipment I used for the video. As you can see, I placed the sellotape at the right top because I forgot to take a picture of it. Take a book and note down all the equipment you are going to need, and I believe you can get all of these at a building material store, except for the selfie stick, which I don't know if you can get from a building material store, but the rest I'm sure. So now I'm cutting 5 inches of the PVC pipes using the PVC blade cutter. And after you've cut the first one, as you can see the marks on the PVC pipe, I just use the first one to mark the length of all the rest on this first one. So I'm just going in and just cutting. So now I'm going in again and cutting another 18 inches of the PVC pipe. If you are too lazy to cut this, you can ask someone to do it for you. It was a little bit exhausting cutting all of these, but if you are a little bit lazy, you can ask someone to help you out. So I'm going to leave you to watch how I was able to couple all of these together. It's self-explanatory, guys, so enjoy. So for the single 6 inches that you cut, this is how you are going to do it. You are going to cut it straight going down. While I was doing this, I didn't cut it straight going down. I had to turn it the other way around and cut it again, so it wasn't straight enough, so I blundered there a bit. So what I did at the end of the video is that I changed this one. I used the old one that I was using because, as you can see, it was broken at some point. So all you are going to do is that you are going to try to squeeze one side so it will like bend inside the other. I don't know if I'm making sense, but just watch the video and you will understand what I'm trying to explain. So you are just going to squeeze. If you try putting it inside the tripod and it doesn't work, just squeeze again until it's small enough to go inside the 18 inches that you've cut, like this. So even after you've done that, it's still going to be a little bit slack for the tripod. So you are going to improvise to make that tighten up a little bit by using this sellotape. So now you are going to cut the sellotape, fold it, and then just put it inside of the PVC pipe. It's self-explanatory. I'm just going to leave you to watch this. So after you've put the first one, try putting the selfie stick in. If it's still slack, you can add some more until it's tight enough, and after that, trust me, you are good to go. I had a tripod which I was using. I bought it a long time ago and I was using that old tool to make videos, but since it got broken, I was unable to get another one because it was doing the corona, borders were closed, so I was unable to get another one. So I had to make a DIY tripod which I was using. So I just decided to upgrade DIY tripod into something that's more beautiful and smaller, because I want to start going with it wheresoever I'm going. So that was why I made this other one. This is the end of this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't.